So I have every single color here of the new JBL Live headphones. I've got a mixture of the 680 and the 780, so let's get into them. So we're going to start with the new purple Live 780 NCs. These are my personal headphones. So this specific unboxing are not brand new models. I have demo units here, and this is to show you what every single color looks like and what comes in the box. But just note that some of them are missing the dust bag. So as you can see here, this does come with a color matched dust bag. And these are the gorgeous purple color. They're a light purple, very much like a lavender. So these are my particular favorite. I absolutely adore them. And on, they look like this. I love these and they're so comfortable. But you do get the dust bag, and you will also get a color matched cable, which is a USB-C to 3.5mm cable. Now this is great for using them on a plane, for example. It's USB-C into the headset, but then you've got your little audio cable here so you can connect it to your plane infotainment panel or something like a laptop too. You will see that there is no charging cable in the box. That is because they are just USB-C. By now, everybody should have a USB-C cable. I do happen to have the Live 680s in purple as well, which are absolutely gorgeous. They obviously have a smaller ear cup because they are the on-ear version, whereas the 780s are the over-ear version. Now let's move on to my next favorite color. It's orange. Oh my God, these are gorgeous. These are incredible. I love this color so much. It is so fun. So again, you've got a color matched dust bag, and then these are the orange. It's like a burnt orange. It matches the latest iPhone too in the orange color. Absolutely gorgeous, super comfortable and soft. And on, they look like this. I love this color. It is so much fun. It actually suits the aesthetic of my studio pretty well too. Those warm colors are stunning. Dust bag, and then like I said, you will get the color matched cable. So now we will go for the black ones, which are actually really nice, especially with the design of the cups on the sides. I think these look really premium. Look at that. So sleek, super stylish. And on, they look like this. I really like these. Honestly, if I could have all of these and wear one every single day, I would. They are just such fun colors. And again, you will have the color matched cable, which is just a simple black one. Now let's go the opposite to black, and that is the champagne. So these are another staple color. This pair is missing the dust bag, but you will obviously get a color matched one inside. And these are, they're so pretty. If the fun colors didn't exist, honestly, these would be what I would go for. They are so beautiful, and on, they honestly just look so good. And that is your color matched cable. Now these ones, these are super surprising. I did not expect to like these as much as I do, and you'll see why in just a second. Color matched bag, of course, and look at that. They are so beautiful, such a unique green. They are so fun because they're not too bold. It's quite a muted green, but it's so pretty, and this is what they look like on. And of course your cable matches too. Now this here is the white, but this is a Pantone white. Pantone color of the year. Is it cloud white that they went with? Honestly, I have no idea, but these are really unique. They kind of give off a blue vibe. I'm not sure if you're going to be able to see it on camera, honestly, but to my eyes, they have this ever so slight blue hue to them. Now these are the 680s as well. So these are the on-ear headphones, but look at that color. These are what they look like on. So again, these are the on-ear versions, the 680s. And again, color matched bag and the cable. But now we have last color, which is this blue. These surprised me. I didn't think I was going to like these at all, but I do. This blue is really fun with the shine of the light on them, that metallic-esque look. They honestly look incredible. Now, I don't have the bag or the cables for these because these are actually my pair of headphones that I've given to my brother. So he's got all the accessories, but look at that color. So fun. And this is what these look like on. So that is every single color of the new JBL Live headphones. We have the Live 680s and the Live 780s. Gorgeous headphones. You guys have to check these out. I'm so impressed by the sound quality, the way they are built, design, language, incredible. But the power that comes out of these really blew me away. I love them so much, and I know you guys are going to love them too. So if you are an Australian resident or also from New Zealand, I do have some discount codes down below that are my personal discount codes as a brand ambassador. It gives you a little bit of savings across the website, and you should be able to use them on these. Definitely go check that out after you hit subscribe if you haven't already, because I look forward to talking more tech with you in the next video. Oh, I love them so much. They're so pretty.